In my live streams, many people ask me the same questions, which isn't bad, right? Because somebody will come in, they'll ask that question, they'll go out, right? And then another person will come in, they'll ask that question, they'll leave. But I think more or less people are asking the question because they want validation, right? They want to make sure that what they're doing is the right thing and if they're going to be able to become wealthy from this and, actually be a serious investor in the end and kind of make life-changing wealth and all of the above, right? So, what I want to do in this video is I want to answer this question the best way that I can. It's not a guarantee on the answer. It really does depend on a lot of things to happen on your end and on XRP's end and Ripple's end and the government and just a lot of other things, right? And I'll explain what I mean in a little bit. But the question at hand is, how much do you need to become a millionaire for XRP or with XRP? So in this video, we're going to take you through the scenarios where it will tell you how much the minimum can be and how much the maximum can be. Now, understand before we get into this that this is the opportunity to become a millionaire. It doesn't mean that you're guaranteed to become a millionaire at these levels. It's not 100% a guarantee. It depends on what you do and the things that happen in the world, as well as the different prices that it does get to. So, if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you want to check out my link for BTCC, that is a platform that I've been able to trade XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum at up to a 500x leverage if I wanted to. Now, 500x leverage is very, very risky. I recommend anywhere between a 2 and 10x leverage just to kind of get started. But if you are very afraid of leverage trading, they have a demo platform to where you can test the markets out with using demo money. So feel free to check that out. The link to that will be in the description. If you use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit. Now, XRP. We recently saw a little bit of an increase in the last week. XRP is up by about 18%. It's at a $2.19 price, $133 billion market cap. Also seeing $5.7 billion worth of volume. The volume to market cap ratio is 4%. So again, we saw it increase to about 240, and it's great to see those price rises. But now, since we saw it at a level of $1.86 or even lower, $1.50, there were many people that found an entry point to buy into this position. So now they're wondering, how much do I need to make whatever I bought become a millionaire status, right? To make me become a millionaire. And that's the question that's at hand. I don't think that anything that you can possibly own is guarantee or guarantees you to become a millionaire, right? It's about what you decide to do in your mindset on whether you can become a millionaire. So I typed into Google just to get a sense of where they're coming from and where they believe or how much they believe that you need. And I'll kind of give you my mix of what I see that you would probably need to give yourself a better chance of becoming a millionaire. To become a millionaire with XRP, the amount you need depends on its future price. At $10, you will need 100,000 tokens, $20, you'll need 50,000, and so on and so forth, right? So, example scenarios based on varying price predictions and possibilities. If you don't know, my level to where I see it going and won't have as much XRP after that is a level of $100. So seeing that they brought this scenario all the way to $100 and not really anything further to 1,000 or 10,000 or anything like that really does give you a goal to how much you want to get or how much you want to have. Basically, at $5, you will need 200,000 XRP. At $10, you'll need 100,000 XRP. At $20, you'll need 50,000 XRP. At $50, you'll need 20,000 XRP. And $100, you'll need 10,000 XRP. Basically saying that the minimum that you could possibly have to have that opportunity to become a millionaire is 10,000 XRP. That's all you really need in order to have the opportunity. And I'm saying it very slow. because opportunity does not mean guarantee. If XRP gets to $100, $10,000 would be $1,000,000. However, if you have 10,000 XRP at the moment, at the time of recording this video, you have about $20,000 worth of it. So if that $20,000 then grows to $200,000, depending who you are and what your mindset is, will give you that opportunity to sell at that moment or hold on to it at that moment. From $20,000 to $200,000. Most people are going to take that and they're going to say, I'm taking $100,000, I'm taking $200,000, and I'm calling it a day. And I'm there for you. I totally understand. But you had an opportunity to become a millionaire and you took the $200,000. It doesn't mean that you're guaranteed to make $1,000,000 from it. Same thing goes for 20,000 XRP at $50. Right now, 20,000 XRP may cost you about $40,000. But as you see that grow to levels of, a $10 price point where you have 20,000 XRP or a $20 price point where you have 20,000 XRP, you're now looking at, life-changing amounts of money. And however much you spend to begin with will really dictate how much you're willing to accept in the end. So most likely the people that have 200,000 XRP, unless you bought really early on, are going to hold for a little bit longer because they do have the ability to take the profit that you would get at a higher price. You would take at that higher price at a lower price, if that makes sense. So if I have 200,000 XRP, I can accept $100,000 worth of a gain and still have $900,000 left at a $5 price point, while other people may have to wait until $10 or $20 in order to get to some of the levels that you want to get to. Does that make sense? So, yes, all of these, you have the opportunity. I think the higher you go up, the more chance that you'll become an XRP millionaire, probably sooner rather than later. But even if you're down here, or if you even just have that as a forever balance, let's say you had 50,000 XRP and 40,000 goes to short term and 10,000 goes to forever, that 10,000 has a chance to become $1 million. That 40,000, you're not really given the opportunity to have to make $1 million, but you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars from it because you're giving it a chance to gain, taking the profit, gaining, taking the profit, gaining, taking the profit, and the 10,000 that's left can potentially turn into $1 million. So do you need 1,000,000 XRP in order to become a millionaire? No, you don't. But I think you do need an exit plan, right? You do need to have a strong mindset because taking 10,000 XRP and holding it until $100 is tough. What if it's worth $900,000 and that's the highest it's going to go to? And it doesn't go to $1 million. You now have 900,000. That's a life-changing amount of money for a lot of people. That can change your life and your kid's life. It can pay off bills. There's a lot of things that it can do. So 10,000 is that minimum. It doesn't have to be anymore, but it could if you want to give yourself a better opportunity or a better chance to become an XRP millionaire. So let me know what you think about this. Because my goal, or what I believe that you should possibly have, is between 20 and 50,000, right? That's what I believe you should have to give yourself a better opportunity to accept some profit and still have the opportunity to become an XRP millionaire. However, 50,000 XRP right now cost about $100,000, right? 20,000 XRP may cost you $40,000. So it's a lot of money that you would be spending on XRP if you don't already have it. But what this video is mainly meant to accomplish is see what a lot of people have and make them feel maybe a little bit better of what they hold, but also make sure it gives them a plan to move forward. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and check out the link for BTCC down below. And I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.